Well, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products and services. So from your left navigation bar, I will select products and services. Okay, and underneath you'll see plus sign. Okay, so you just create with some item name. Let's just say item name is uh, let's say cake. Okay, and description also the same. Okay, and tab price rate, let's say this is $5 rate. Okay, this is your selling price. Okay, price $5 each, and you tap taxable or not. So in this case, this is taxable, and then you tap account. So account is the one that's linked to your chart of accounts. Okay, so I'm going to select sales of product income, and if you need to add a new account in the chart of accounts, you can do so separately. We have a separate video for that. Okay, and then you select category. So categories, I'm going to tap this one. So I've already set up categories from my browser, and as you can see here, all these categories. So you must be wondering what's the category here. So this sample files I've set up as like you're going to a supermarket, and you will see all those aisles with some names. So those are all part of categories. So baby item, baking supplies, bread and baked goods. So these are the ones you need to set up category in your browser if you are selling inventory. Okay, so if you are not selling inventory, if you're just selling services, then you may not need all these details. So from the mobile app, you cannot create inventory or non-inventory. Whatever you create from this mobile app, it's for services only. So if you need to create inventory items or non-inventory items, you have to do it from browser. If you just want to create services from a mobile app, you can do it. Or you can just create, you want to hurry and you just want to add new line item, and you can do it from here. And then, or even for inventory, non-inventory, then you have to go back to your browser and then change type from services to either inventory or non-inventory. So you have to do that separately. So if it's just one item, it's okay, you can do it from here. But if you are creating a bunch of inventory items, then you don't want to use this one. So it's better to use it from your browser, or Chrome or Safari. Okay, so let's say I want to create a new item. As I said, whatever you do here, it will create a services item. Alright, so I'll just say new item. Okay, and so cake, and the category on this one, let's just say it's under milk and dairy. Okay, I'm just picking one here. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so this is how you create new product and services. And so basically it's a plus sign, and then you give item a name, say cookies, and description is the one that goes to your sales form or invoice or sales receipt. Okay, so about cookies, and the price rate you set up in here. Let's say it's $2. Okay, and make sure it is taxable or non-taxable. if it's taxable, just tap the taxable one, and if it's not, then just make sure it's non-taxable. Let's say this one is taxable, and then account. Just select from a chart of accounts. Normally for sales, you'll have one or two or three, and the income type has to be income. Then you will see as revenue in your profit and loss. So sales of product income, and then select a category if you want to use category in your product and services list. Okay, so let's just say milk and dairy, and then save it. And if this is for like services, let's say any services, whatever you create is going to be services. So you just have to, you can just ignore category if you're just using for service, or just say one service type as one category. You can do that from your browser. Okay, so now you must be wondering how to do that in your browser. Okay, so from browser, if you're using browser, what you need to do that is, of course, first you log in your QView account from either Chrome or Safari, and from the home page screen, upper right corner, you select the gear there, and after that, under list, you'll see products and services. Okay, so once you have that, if you have already created new line item here and you just want to edit, so all you have to do is under the search, where you'll see find product and services, next to the little funnel icon there, just type whatever the name is. Then it will show you the item name, and under action column far right you will see edit. So this is the one you created new item in your mobile app, but you want to change type from services to inventory, non-inventory. Then edit, and then you will say, this is service type. Do you want to change type? Right below product and service information screen. So change type and select inventory, non-inventory, and then save it. So once you have that, then you can treat that as inventory item, and you can't do it from your mobile app. When you buy it, you still have to use it from your browser. So anyway, this is going through all the detailed stuff, but if you're just adding in a service item, that's fairly easy. So just basically from your home page screen, invoice, and then add line item, and just you can name one whatever you want, and then you don't even have to use category. But if you're tracking inventory, or if you're buying materials, and you want to track all the purchase costs, then you'll have to use category. And by the way, this is for $40 plus plan only. If you have $25 or $15 plans, then you won't even have a way to track purchases by items. So in this case, it makes no difference. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Visit our website,